Starting filming. Why don't you narrate?
This butterfly landed on me 3 times. Just stand still, he'll come back. Now he's on my front. That's 4 times. He's beautiful. He's got like a green body and sort of rusty wings. He's about 2 inches wide. And he looks like either an American snout or a question mark butterfly. He's not a fritillary, is he?
I don't know.
I feel like he's looking right at me. I can't tell. He's so pretty. But I think he sees the flowers on my shorts, and he must think that they're real flowers, but he's not doing anything. Could just be that it's warm and sunny, and he just wants to collect some sunshine.
Or he's attacking you.
4 times he's landed on me. Very cute. I feel privileged. Look at his little antennae. Oh, careful, you'll scare him away. He's getting scared.
Alright.
He has different markings on the underside of his wings. They look more like for camouflage. Like they look more like the bark of a tree. Can you see that?
Yes.
Oh, look, there's that little white mark. Do you see it? On the underside of his wing? That's a telltale indicator. I think I know how to look up this butterfly.
Alright. Okay.
Oh, he's cute.
I'll end the video now.
Okay. Handsome. Beautiful butterfly.
Okay, you want to just tell that? Oh, there he is. There he went.
7. He's landed on me 7 times. Now what do I do?
I don't know. Just keep narrating the video. This is a butterfly that's landed on your shorts.
Yeah, butterfly landed on me 7 times. He flies away and then he comes right back to my shorts. If he's mistaking the flowers for forget-me-nots, maybe?
I don't know, maybe.
He's adorable. I wish I could just put my finger out and let him crawl on my hand, but I don't want to scare him.
Alright.
Hi, beautiful. Aww. I can't believe people kill these animals and then collect them. Oh, there's something on you. Don't move. Let me see. Don't move. It's nothing bad. It's not like a spider or anything. There's a little leaf hopper.
Alright.
There he goes. I better leave. Oh, 8.
You know, this could be a sexual harassment case.
Oh,
look where he is.
So cute. He's on my abdomen.
I know. This is what Harvey Weinstein got in trouble for.
Look how he snapped his wings shut.
Yeah, there. See, I spoke.
Where is he? Here he comes. I bet he's coming back now. Can we go for 10? Hold still. Don't move. Don't move, Charles. Hold. 9.
Look at this. It's inappropriate touching.
9 times he's landed on me.
Inappropriate touching.
Aren't you supposed to be pollinating somewhere?
Call Gloria Allred.
This is so weird.
Look
at how adorable. He keeps turning and looking at me, too.
And we've got the video. There could be millions in this for us.
Hi there. Hi.
We'll sue nature itself.
The underside of his wings looks like a bark of a tree. Oh, don't videotape me. I'm not nearly as handsome as that butterfly.
We need it for evidence.
He's looking right at me. He's turning towards me. He's coming right at me.
This is what got Bill Cosby in trouble.
Hello. Hi. Hi. So pretty. Yeah. Hi.
Roman Polanski had to flee the country because of doing stuff like this. Look at Got you a book deal and appearances on Dr. Phil and everything. Maybe you could become a regular on To Catch a Predator. They'll just stick you out in the woods somewhere and...
Maybe he was displaced from that tree they were working on today, cutting it.
I don't know that butterflies have nests in trees.
Well, no, but maybe that was his hangout or something.
I don't know.
Do you see that little white, like, crescent right there?
Yes, I think I've noticed that on these species before. It's very striking. Don't know if the camera can pick up on it. Camera this simple.
Can I hold it for a second?
Well, you can't really see what you're doing. That's the...
Okay.
Here, I'll end this video and then hand it over to you so we can...
Oh, he's opening his wings again now. Forget it.
All right.
So trusting.
Yes.
So sweet.
Like,
Hi.
like Trump was when Omarosa recorded him.
Oh, hello.
All good evidence here.
Hello. Gossamer wings.
Me too, hashtag. Time's up, hashtag. Resist butterflies, hashtag.
He's looking at my face. Are you looking right at me? He's looking right at me. What are you trying to tell me, little guy, huh?
Alright. Okay, running out of sexist jokes here. Do something quick, butterfly.
Fly is biting my ankles.
Yes.
Hey.
I'm just covered in insect bites.
I don't want to move. This is like a rare thing.
Now there's a housefly, yes. I'm getting scared. I may just abandon you and tell the police you disappeared.
Have I turned into a tree?
The husband is always the suspect, but in this case we've got other suspects. I've got them on tape.
Sweet little butterfly. Maybe he's looking for some nectar somewhere on a flower. Can I hold it a little?
All right. Can
I have it.
All right.
Just try to get that white mark. Don't know if you can see it. It's on the underside of his wing.
Yeah, I don't think it's got that much of a close-up thing going on. All right. I better close this down before it goes on for too long.
All right, now the fly won't leave.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Just have to abandon you. Just like those kids in that cave in Thailand. There's only so much.
Four legs or six?
So much you can do before you come back the next day. Butterflies have 6 legs.
I only see 4.
All insects have 6 legs. Yeah. Okay, he must be a mammal.
Don't get any closer. I think that fly thinks that these are flowers too.
All right.
Hey, little guy. Thank you for visiting me. He's so handsome. Yeah. Okay, turn it off.
All right. Post this online while there's still time for the authorities to take action. Here's a butterfly that refuses to leave Lucy alone, perched on her. Let's see if it flexes its wings. He's trembling now. He knows he's in trouble. Come on, open up your wings. Show everyone what you look like. There's a fly not far from her. Him thinking that the floral print pattern on the shorts has attracted these dangerous animals. But we're not sure. It's returned, what, is this the 10th time?
9.
9 times this butterfly has flown away and then come back and perched on Lucy. Oh.
It's relatively unafraid.
Yeah, it seems to have gotten used to us.
Oh,
there it
I
goes.
think the fly scared him that time. Wait, go for 10. Hold still. Don't move. Be a statue. There's 10.
All right. 10 times this butterfly has returned. Not opening up his brilliant orange-colored wings, though.
Maybe if I turn back this way.
Something's got to be done about these butterflies. Hashtag time's up. Can I reach out and touch him?
No. Not the wings, especially.
No, I was going to pet his antennas.
Mm-mm. He'll fly away if you reach out for him.
Oh, no. Look.
Hello, gorgeous girl.
Oh, dear.
Hi.
Nature is attacking us.
Does she have babies with her? Yeah. We have to move. Or maybe not. Can we stand here for one more minute? Do you want to go into our yard and eat something?
Can't believe this. This is like those horror movies. Nature takes its revenge. You gonna go get on Lucy's
The wind is blowing.
shorts now?
The wind is blowing my shorts and he's still not moving.
All right. Just like a Disney cartoon from hell.
I think it's time for you to go now. Goodbye.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Let's keep going. Bother the deer. There's the fly again.
Ah,
There's another deer.
coming back at me.
All right. We're scared. We're running now. Blair Witch Project. Blair Witch Project.
Is he coming?